Hello to the third part of my tutorial series how to create a TCD editor for 4-story. Today we want to add all the items we loaded into our list box. So we go in form1.cs, and after the loading procedure we have to start the adding into the list box. For this we start a new method called I think we would call it load list box. First we have to clear the list box if there's any item left, so list box dot items dot clear. Afterwards we need a for each loop for each pet p in L. So for each pet in L, so we will add, so for each pet in our list L we will add one item to the list box, so list box dot items dot add, and we will add just the ID, so p dot id. Oh, no breaks here. So, okay. Now we can test the whole thing. So data load pet open success. Oh, we forgot to call the method. So call the method load list box. We don't need the message box. Load pet TCD, and now you have every entry in the list box, but so far nothing happens if you select one of these. We will change this by adding the event selected index changed. So select list box and go to event and double click on it, and a new method will be created in the form1, the list box selected item changed, selected index changed, sorry. So every time you select another entry in the list box, this method will be called. And then first we have to find out at which place in the list L the pet is which we want to load. So we can use for this the list box items dot index. No, list box dot selected index. So the index, it's an int between 0 and I don't know, and it tells you at which place in the list box the item is. So at the first place it's this index 0 and so on. And this is the index of the list L, so L brackets list box dot selected index dot id. And now we have to enter all of these into the text boxes. So the text box with the ID in it, the name is tb underscore wid dot text equals listbox1 id dot toString. We can test it again. Data load the pet TCD and select this one, and now it's in here, and same with all the other. Okay, now you have to do this for every other text box. So for example tb underscore wmonid equals L list box selected index Okay, we do it a little bit different. So int SE selected SLE selected index. I'm sorry, int SLE equals monID dot toString. I'll do a little cut here and do it for you, and I'll see you soon. Okay, I'm done. I did this for every other value, and now we can test the whole thing. Load tpad. Oh, I forgot the condition value. So text SLI dot condition value. Not condition type, condition value. Condition value dot toString. Now test it again. Load tpad TCD, and now everything works fine. The next step is the save method, so the other way around. So double click on the save to open the event, and this time we do the same like there, only the other way around.